Hey there, fellow aviation enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the history and use of Jet2G DRTB. Jet2G DRTB is a Boeing 737-800, which first took to the skies in 1999. This aircraft has been in service with Jet2 since June 2017, powered by two CFM 56-7B26 engines. It's incredible to think about the many miles this plane has traveled. Jet2G DRTB is a testament to the power of aviation and the amazing things it can accomplish. Thank you for going on this journey through the history of GDRTB. If you enjoyed this video, please like and sub.